what if I told you your Windows 11 PC could look and feel exactly like macOS, complete with the dock, widgets, sounds, and even the Mac cursor? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to transform Windows 1125 H2 into a clean, modern macOS style desktop. All for free. Let's dive in. Now, for the iconic macOS dock, the best tool for this is MyDockFinder, which is now available on Steam. It's a paid app, but it's absolutely worth it if you want near-perfect animations and fluid performance. First, install Steam on your computer and log in if you already have an account. If not, you can easily create one. Just search for MyDockFinder. It is only about $5. Add it to your cart and proceed to pay. There are various payment methods you can use. Okay, now I have paid for it. Let me install Steam since I did not install it. After installing Steam and logging in, go to Library and install MyDockFinder on your Windows 11 machine. There we go. MyDockFinder is now installed, but the Windows taskbar is getting in the way. Let us hide it. To access the File Explorer, just click on the Windows icon. To access the Windows Start menu, just hit the Windows key on your keyboard. When you open an application, you can easily add a shortcut to the dock. You can easily remove an icon by clicking on it and clicking Remove from Dock. Let us now customize the dock, right? Click anywhere on the dock and then click on Preferences. Click on Appearance and change the blur and transparency values. Also change the blur and transparency values for context menus up. Do the same for MyDockFinder menus. On icon theme, select Workshop. This will change the dock icons to macOS style icons. You can switch the animation to any style you like. You can change the icon size according to what you want. The launchpad is empty, let us populate it. You can remove icons you do not want to appear here or rearrange them according to what you want. Do this if you want MyDockFinder to automatically start on boot. And that is it for the DockFinder configs. Next, we'll add macOS style widgets using Rainmeter. First, download Rainmeter. Rainmeter comes with default widgets. Remove them. Install the Big Sur 26 skin pack. It's one of the most accurate macOS widget setups out there. You can find the download link in the video description. Once you load the skin, you'll see the Mac style top menu bar, system info, music player, and clock. You can customize what shows up, like Wi-Fi, battery, or CPU usage, just like macOS. It will ask you to pick a style, and wallpaper, I will pick the translucent style. From here, you can add the widgets you want to the Windows desktop. Let us polish off the experience, especially for File Explorer. We'll use Windhawk. This lightweight tool lets you apply system-level tweaks like rounded corners, hidden taskbar, and even macOS-style window controls. Click on Explore and search for Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Go to Settings and pick Translucent. We are not yet done. Open Windhawk again. There we go, the File Explorer. Now, looks great. For the finishing touch, add a macOS wallpaper. Let's make the little details match too. Like the cursor, download the macOS cursor pack, extract it, and install it by right-clicking the INF file and choosing Install. Link is in the video description. Then head to mouse settings, then pointers, and apply the macOS scheme. Let us hide the Windows icons on the desktop. And that's it. You've just turned Windows 11.25 H2 into macOS, complete with dock, widgets, and smooth animations. If you want to revert back to Windows 11 style, just go to my Dock About page and remove what you just did, as well as remove the MyDockFinder in Apps. You should also remove what you just did in Windhawk, and then remove the program itself. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows customization tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.